Transform your life with indoor gardening. Tired of the same old indoor scenery? Discover how indoor gardening can revolutionize your living space and boost your well-being. Indoor gardening offers a wealth of benefits beyond just aesthetics. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature, even when you're stuck indoors. Plants purify the air, removing harmful toxins and increasing oxygen levels. This can lead to improved mood, reduced stress, and better sleep. Gardening is also a therapeutic activity. Nurturing plants can be incredibly rewarding and provide a sense of accomplishment. Selecting the right plants is crucial for indoor gardening success. Consider the amount of natural light your space receives. Low-light plants, like snake plants, ZZ plants, and peace lilies, thrive in dimly lit areas. These are perfect for apartments or rooms with limited sunlight. If you have a sunny windowsill, herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary will flourish. You can also grow vegetables like tomatoes and peppers indoors with enough light. Research the specific needs of each plant before bringing it home. This will ensure they receive the proper care and thrive in your environment. To get started, you'll need a few essential supplies. These include pots, soil, and watering cans. Choose pots with drainage holes to prevent overwatering. Select a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for indoor plants. A watering can with a long spout will help you reach the soil without wetting the leaves. Consider investing in a spray bottle for misting plants that prefer humidity. You may also need plant food or fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid over-fertilizing. Once you have your plants and supplies, it's time to set up your indoor garden. Choose a location that meets the light requirements of your plants. Arrange your plants in a visually appealing way. Consider grouping plants with similar needs together for easier care. Place a tray or saucer under each pot to catch excess water. This will protect your furniture and prevent water damage. Regularly check your plants for pests or diseases. Address any issues promptly to prevent them from spreading. Proper watering is essential for healthy indoor plants. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Water your plants when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Use room temperature water and water thoroughly until it drains out the bottom. Fertilize your plants regularly during the growing season. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer label for proper dosage. Prune your plants as needed to remove dead or young leaves. This will encourage new growth and keep your plants looking their best. Even with the best care, you may encounter some common indoor gardening problems. These include pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies. Identify the problem early and take appropriate action. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control pests. Treat fungal diseases with a fungicide. Adjust your watering and fertilizing practices to address nutrient deficiencies. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. Indoor gardening is a journey, and every plant is a learning opportunity. Get creative with your indoor gardening. There are endless ways to display your plants and add personality to your space. Hang plants from the ceiling in macrame planters. Create a vertical garden on a wall using a trellis or shelving unit. Use decorative pots and containers to complement your decor. Incorporate natural elements like rocks and driftwood into your displays. Build a terrarium or fairy garden for a whimsical touch. Let your imagination run wild and create a unique indoor oasis. Starting an indoor garden can seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Follow these simple steps to get started. Choose a location with adequate light. Select plants that are suitable for your space and skill level. Gather your essential supplies, including pots, soil, and watering cans. Plant your plants according to their specific needs. Water your plants regularly and fertilize as needed. Monitor your plants for pests and diseases. Enjoy the beauty and benefits of your indoor garden. Ready to transform your living space and well-being? Start your indoor garden today. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Leave a comment below, sharing your favorite indoor plants and gardening experiences. Visit our website for a comprehensive guide to indoor gardening and exclusive discounts on essential supplies. Let's grow together.